This is a Taurus 38 poly protector plus P. Let me tell you, I am remarkably shocked with this gun's performance. It's very accurate, very low recoil, fits in the hand perfectly, great grip. Single action is phenomenal. Everything about it. Double action is quite smooth too. Before I've done this, I checked the gun that it was empty. I recommend it, yes. Very lightweight, low recoil, fits in the hand, it's like sticky. Highly recommend this gun. I haven't shot plus P's in it, but I've shot regular 38s and it's remarkable. Remarkable. The price was right. Lightweight. It's really unique. Everything that's supposed to be steel on it is steel. Barrel, mechanism inside, all the hammer, all the innards. It's just so lightweight. Woman could shoot this easily for someone's wife. Perfect. Highly recommend it. Taurus 38 poly. They make it in 357 too. Thank you.